now I'm going to demonstrate how to set up a question from a question paper and then answer it in Smart Notebook whilst recording the video, recording the screen, so that I can post the finished video to YouTube. So first I'm going to start the screen capture tool in Notebook. Already got Notebook open here. You can see the screen capture tool appearing. You'll notice down at the bottom I've already got a PDF document opened. This is a question from AQA Mathematics November 2010, and what I need to do is cut out the questions that I'm going to answer onto the Smart Notebook palette. So click the left hand option here and select the first part of that question. Saving that to Smart Notebook. And then the second part of that question. Okay. Should have those in Smart Notebook now, so I can shut the PDF down. If I resize the window, I can just move those components of the question around. There's a couple of lines on it which you'll see, which result from the fact that my laptop struggles with memory when doing these screen grabs. But persevere with it and you should be able to get a clean version. So just lock down these images using the locking function on Smart Notebook, so when I move my pen across the palette I don't inadvertently move the question underneath. Resize it back to entire page width. Okay, so now I'm all set. Got my question set up on Smart Notebook, and I just need to answer the question as if I were doing this for the benefit of students. So here goes. Question 1. In a game, players try to win a colour counter. There are 6 possible colours. The game shows the probability of winning each colour. Which colour is twice as likely to be won as green? Green has probability of 0.07 of winning. Twice 0.07 is 0.14. So the colour that's twice as likely to be won as green is black. Now here I'm going to go to my palette and select the pen tool. I am going to change the width of the pen, make sure it's on a thinner pen width, nib width. Okay, so now I'm going to try and write the answer black. Now this is a fairly tricky bit using a tablet, but I find what works best is if you put constant pressure on the pad without lifting your pen. Okay, so the answer to question 1A given as black. Okay, so work out the probability of winning yellow or brown. Well, the probability of winning yellow is 0.04. And the probability of winning brown is 0.09. So because this is an OR probability, we need to add those two probabilities together. So yellow 0.04, probability of brown 0.09, probability of either is those two probabilities added together, 0.13, and that is your answer for 2 marks. Question 1C, Tarek plays the game 160 times. Estimate the number of times that he does not win. Okay, so the total probability of a set of events is of course 1. We need to work out to see if these probabilities of winning with a different colour actually add up to 1. I'm sure they'll fall short. So probability of winning yellow 0.04. Add to that the probability of winning green, we've got 0.11. Add to that the probability of winning brown, 0.2. Add to that the probability of winning blue, 0.3. Pink added on, 0.43. And finally black, 0.57. So probability of winning by picking a coloured counter is 0.57. Write that down as a probability. Probability of winning equals 0.57, So the probability of not equals 0.43. Okay, they could do this on the calculator by doing 160 times the probability of not winning each game. Okay, I'll do it without, just to show you what's going on clearly. So 0.1 times 16. So 0.4 is going to be 4 times that, which is 64. And 0.03 is going to be times 160 times 160 equals 4.8. So 0.43 is going to be 68.8. Okay, so our estimate that the number of times he doesn't win is going to be 9 to whole. Okay, and that, after a fashion, is the question done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stop the video and edit that in ezvid. 0.4. Green plus yellow is 0.11. Brown